Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm going to be trading Forex currency pairs, regular Forex pairs on the pocket option platform, utilizing two of my favorite indicators here. And if you click on the indicator icon, the first indicator I'll be utilizing is the RSI, or the relative strength index indicator, and the second indicator is the momentum indicator. Okay. So when we go to the indicator settings for the RSI here, I have the period set to 7. And in my style settings, I've disabled the 70 and the 30 line here. So I won't be using them. We don't need them. I've only enabled the 50 line and the main line here. 50 line, I've set the color to white 3 pixels. And the main line here, green 3 pixels. Okay. So in the momentum indicator settings, I've also set the period to 7. And in the style settings, I've set the main line to line and not histogram. The histogram is the default setting, but we want the line setting 3 pixels. Okay, so let's save that. And for my candlestick charts, I have my candle set to 1 minute and 1 regular Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I've also set it to 1 minute, so I'll be taking 60-second trades, fast turbo 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for my first setup. Okay, I'm on the US dollar Japanese yen currency pair, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade, first of all, if you notice, there's a downward movement in the price of the currency pair. Second of all, the RSI indicator just crossed below the 50 line here, which is my first trigger for a downside movement. And thirdly, the momentum indicator here is showing a bearish sloping direction, which shows confluence between the RSI and the momentum indicator here. And so this is why I took the sell trade. And what we're going to do is watch this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, we won that trade. Close trade, but we got it. I entered the price. I made the entry at the right time here. So let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the US dollar Canadian dollar currency pair, and I just took a buy trade. The reason why I took the buy trade here, I'm anticipating a reversal in the price. In addition to that, the RSI line just crossed above the 50 line, which is my first trigger. Secondly, the momentum indicator is showing a strong bullish momentum upward here. So I went ahead and took the trade, and let's monitor this trade until the expiration. It's pushing upward. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right, I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Great British Pound Aussie Dollar, and I just took a sell trade here, or a put trade. And the reason why I took the put trade here, I saw some strong red bearish candles developing. In addition to that, my RSI line crossed below the 50 line here on the indicator here. And secondly, the momentum indicator is also showing a downward sloping direction. So this suggests that there's going to be a continued bearish momentum to the downside in the currency pair. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, good. We won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Aussie dollar, US dollar, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here is the RSI just crossed from below the 50 line to above the 50 line here. Uh, in addition to that, my momentum indicator is showing a bullish movement, a positive slope to the upside here when I took the trade. All right, it kind of retraced back, but I'm anticipating that the price will continue to push upward. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to end the trading session here. We had a pretty good day. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Uh, Comment on the strategy. I also have a link to the platform if you're interested in trading the strategy in the video comments and in the channel description. Yes, once again, thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt, and I'll see you in the next video.